Hello, this is Justin Roving with M-State Web Services. I'm going to briefly go over creating a weather advisory alert on the Minnesota.edu website. For starters, go to minnesota.edu/manage and you will get this login page. Enter your Star ID, username, and password. Once you log in, you will see some elements in which you have access to. What you're going to look for is underneath CMS Your Access, News and Events. Click on that. And then you're going to go to Events. Once you've logged into our event system, you'll see on the menu here, Events. Simply hover over that and click on Add New. Once you've clicked on Add New, go ahead and enter the title. So for example, if there is a weather closure, you would type in something like Wadena campus closure or whatever it might be in order to explain why the campus is closed. So in this case, I'm just going to enter testing. Now, one thing you're going to need to do in order to make it show up on the website, on the top, we have a little category here called Weather Advisory. You must click that, otherwise it will not show up on every page on the website. The little graphic that shows up is controlled by having this checked. Additionally, based off of the campus you're posting for, you should also check the campus that pertains to your alert. The rest of this is fairly self-explanatory. Make sure you enter a date and time. If the campus is closed all day, you can go ahead and click on all day. If it's a partial closure, go ahead and set the time range. If it's a multi-day closure, say like the weather's really bad, again, make it a multi-day event. Just check, make sure you select the correct start and end date. So for this, I'm just going to leave these defaults in here. It's irrelevant because it's a test, but make sure you fill those out as accurately as you can. Make sure you have these categories checked, weather advisory and your corresponding campus, and some information to show why the campus is closed. Once you're done, click on Publish. And then I'm going to show you what happens on the website. You will now see on the top we have Weather Advisory. When you click on that, it brings you to our calendar. It shows you the event that's been added. It will only show weather advisories on this link, and it'll show you that I put my testing event there. Students then click on it and see the information. Now ideally this would mention your campus in the title. It tells you what campus it's also located on. And that is it in a nutshell.